Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. We are an Autodesk partner and reseller. My name is Sean Bauer and I will be presenting this vlog today, 13 November 2024. I am an application engineer and an Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics. And today's topic is Revit for everyone, how to share Revit views with non-Autodesk users. On the agenda for today, a short introduction, options for sharing views, using shared views in the Autodesk free online viewer, data exchange and shared links, exporting to different formats, and then I'll do a quick demonstration. So, an introduction. In today's collaborative design environment, sharing Revit models and information is essential for keeping everyone on the same page. Even those who don't use Autodesk software, this vlog is all about making Revit more accessible for everyone involved, especially stakeholders and owners who may not have technical backgrounds or specialized software. By sharing Revit views with non-Autodesk users, you can enhance communication, enable stakeholders to visualize project progress, design changes, and overall concepts without needing complex tools. You can increase transparency. When owners and stakeholders have direct access to model views, it builds trust and allows for clearer decision making. Streamline feedback. Sharing views lets stakeholders provide timely input and help avoid miscommunication or costly rework down the line. Whether you're working with project owners, managers, or any other non-technical participant, understanding these sharing tools makes Revit projects more inclusive and collaborative, paving the way for smoother and more efficient project delivery. Options for sharing views. Autodesk Online Free Viewer for cloud-based sharing. It is available on any device with access to the internet. It is a web-based platform that uses a shared URL. How it works: simply upload the model, generate a shareable link, and send it to the stakeholders. The user benefits. Recipients don't need Revit or any other software to view the model. They can comment, markup, and review details directly in their browser. It is best for quick sharing with stakeholders who need only to view or perhaps annotate without making any edits to the model. Shared views in Revit. Revit has a built-in shared views feature available in the collaboration tab that allows exporting a selected view to the cloud. How it works: create a view within Revit, select shared views, and then share it. A URL is generated for recipients to access the Autodesk viewer. The user benefits. This feature is straightforward and provides a controlled snapshot of model views, ensuring recipients only see what's needed. It is best for controlled sharing where only specific views and details are accessible to the viewer. PDF and image export options. Revit views can be exported as high-quality PDFs or image files. How it works: simply export any view to a PDF or image and email it or upload it to a shared folder. User benefits. PDFs and images are widely accessible on any device without special software, making it easy for stakeholders to view and print. It is best for quick visual references, for presentations or discussions where interactivity isn't required. Data exchange option for multi-platform compatibility. The data exchange feature in Revit enables sharing of information between Revit and other applications like the Autodesk Construction Cloud, which can be especially useful for collaboration. How it works: set up a data exchange, choose the elements and views to share, and select the compatible platforms. The user benefits: allows shared data to be used across various Autodesk tools and even non-Autodesk tools, fostering a more integrated collaboration, such as Revit to Rhino. Best for cross-platform workflows where detailed data needs to be shared across teams using different software. The Autodesk Docs integration. For teams already using Autodesk Docs, views can be shared directly within the document management platform. How it works: Revit models and views can be uploaded to Autodesk Docs, where stakeholders can access the view, they can comment and download the files. The user benefits: provides a single source for project documentation, and stakeholders can view Revit files in real time. It is best for long-term project collaboration where multiple documents and updates need to be managed in a central repository. Tips for user-friendly sharing: simplify your views, hide unnecessary elements, and focus on relevant information to make it easy for non-technical users to understand. Use markups and comments. Where possible, add helpful annotations directly in shared views to guide stakeholders. Provide instructions to include a short guide or a screen recording of how they can navigate the view, especially in Autodesk Viewer, to maximize clarity and engagement. This approach will showcase each method's benefits and helps viewers choose the best one based on their stakeholder needs. Revit users can navigate to the Collaboration tab, into the Share panel, and click on Shared Views. The shared views can be docked on the side, where you can create a new shared view, give it a name, and decide which views you would like to share, whether it is the entire 3D model, which you would like to walk through in real time within the free Autodesk Online Viewer, or whether you're only sharing a specific view, elevation, section, detail, or internal view, or camera view. With this, you can also then have a collaborative communication with the stakeholders or owners. On the Autodesk Online Viewer, there is a chat option on the side, and this will then display within Revit, where you can respond and reply through Revit to a person who is not using any Autodesk software via the free online Autodesk Viewer. This is what the Autodesk Viewer looks like. You can add comments, create markups, do measurements. You have first-person navigation walking through the building. You can explode the effects so you can see more of the building elements if it is for manufacturing purposes. You can crop the views from the X, Y, or Z planes or in a box format. This is an example of an exploded view where you can see each individual element. When you select any of the elements, you can also view its properties. At the top left of the screen, you have your views, the model browser, properties, and settings. On the right hand side, that's the chat, the comments. This displays live within Revit. You can also print the screen as is. You can take screenshots or snapshots of specific views or angles as you navigate through the building. And you can also share this with other stakeholders. Data exchange. Interactive sharing options with Revit's Data Exchange. Revit's Data Exchange features allows you to share Revit data across other platforms, even non-Autodesk tools, enabling collaborative access and data manipulation. Platform compatibility. Data Exchange supports data integration with platforms like Autodesk Construction Cloud and even certain non-Autodesk apps through the cloud, such as Rhino. Seamless access. This means stakeholders, contractors, or other collaborators can work on the same project data in different applications without needing Revit. For example, an engineer could review Revit data in Autodesk Docs while other team members view project details in Microsoft Power BI. Interactive capabilities. Users can view, comment, and even make certain data-driven edits in compatible software, offering an interactive real-time collaboration space. These interactive sharing features make it easier than ever to bridge gaps between Revit and other platforms, fostering a truly collaborative project environment accessible to everyone, regardless of their software background. This is an example of how one would go about creating your data exchange. Within your Collaborate tab, select Data Exchange, create the exchange, select the view, and select where you would like to save this view. You can filter this by specification, whether you would like to have only specific elements or types, or by category. You can specify how you would like to share your data. Exporting to different file formats. Exporting to CAD formats for web views such as AutoCAD Mobile or AutoCAD Web or AutoCAD Desktop. You can export to PDF, JPEG, AVI or MP4 for walkthroughs in Revit, to IFC, DWF, DWFX, FBX, GBXML, and more, allowing non-Autodesk users to view the Revit model or views in other software applications or online via the free online viewer. I will show a quick demonstration of how you would go about using shared views in Revit. In Revit, in the Collaborate tab, you will find shared views. This opens a docked menu, which can be undocked as well. Here you can create shared views, give it a name, and share. The example has been shared successfully. You can view it in the browser on the internet, or copy the link to share with others. I will select View in Browser. The Autodesk Viewer will open. This is available for free for non-Autodesk users as well. You can sign up for free or sign in if you do have an account. Here you can navigate the shared views that have been selected. I only selected the one 3D view. You can have multiple different views. Here you have your comments. Here at the bottom you have your tools such as first person navigation, and you're able to navigate through your structure, which is quite a decent feature, especially for stakeholders if they would like to see your space. You have zooming functions to fit to screen, to orbit, measure things, to section off the building, you're able to grab a screenshot, do markups, and share with others. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. Hope you found this vlog informative. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future vlogs. Thank you again. and goodbye.